Hello and welcome to the latest episode in our series of short documentaries about the Rare Books collection here at the Iron Library. Today we're going to be talking about two books. Les Raisons les Forces Mouvantes from Salomon de Caen and Nouvelle Invention de lever l'eau plus haut que sa source by Salomon's younger brother Isaac de Caen. The de Caen brothers were Dieppe-born Huguenots, and they were active at the beginning of the 17th century, and they're noted for their work designing gardens. Now, what do gardens have to do with the history of technology, I hear you ask? Well, to be a gardener at that time was to be a hydraulic and also mechanical engineer. It also meant being an architect, both for buildings and for the landscape. This was the beginning of the scientific revolution, and gardens ceased to be pleasantly well cultivated and laid out spaces, but became an expression of a reassertion of civilization and of humanity's presumed supremacy over nature through science. And this is where Isaac and Salomon really come into it, because they were both engineers and architects. And through their connections through the Stuart court, they made it also as far into Europe as the Palatinate. And the Palatinate at the time had its capital in Heidelberg. And it was in Heidelberg that the most famous work of Salomon de Caen came to be. It's the Hortus Palatinus, a massive landscaping project that leveled stretches of hillside into terraces and filled them with plants such as a grove of bitter oranges, and grottos with water-powered musical instruments, or automata such as these birds here, which were driven by water power and moved their wings. They were regarded as the eighth wonder of the world, well, the entire garden was regarded as the eighth wonder of the world. It wasn't completed, and it was very sadly destroyed during the 30 Years' War, and now only the terraces remain. So what's the importance of the de Caen brothers' writings? Well, their creations do not survive. These are the last records of them. And within them is the kernel of an idea which has since become quite commonplace in science and technology. As put by Thomas Hobbes in Leviathan, several decades after Salomon and Isaac published their works. Nature, the art whereby God hath made and governs the world, is by the art of man, as in many other things, so in this also imitated, that it can make an artificial animal. For seeing life is but a motion of limbs, the beginning whereof is in some principal part within, why may we not say that all automata have an artificial life? For what is the heart but a spring, and the nerves but so many strings, and the joints but so many wheels, giving motion to the whole body, such as was intended by the artificer. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this, and hope you look forward to the next episode. See you next time.